Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will presentation about tips of meaning. Tips of meaning, there is 6 point, and then number 1 is conceptual meaning. What is conceptual meaning? Conceptual meaning is makna dari penalaran secara logis. In this article, I choose the sentence is the last figure from NHS England showed 1907 310 COVID jabs had been administered in Dudley and the surrounding area by Thursday, the second highest amount in the Midlands. Why I choose this sentence? Because conceptual meaning is logis. Jadi di situ ada logis karena benar terjadi dan dibuktikan dengan angka yang tertera dalam kalimat tersebut. Dan nomor 2 yaitu connotative meaning, makna bukan sebenarnya. Nah, connotation can be everything in language. It gives further meaning to words and phrases, creating positive and or negative implication for words that have the same principal meaning without connotation. Language will be much more limited, stagnant, and inflexible. In other words, boring. Why I choose this sentence? Because using Black Country Living Museum in sentence using Black Country Living Museum, a largely open air seat to deliver jobs is said to be a game changer for local community. Nah, game changer biasanya kalau game itu identik dengan hal yang menyenangkan, tapi dalam kalimat ini mempunyai makna yang berbeda dan konteks ini bersifat serius. Jadi bukan maknanya sebenarnya, kan game itu menyenangkan, tapi ini serius. Jadi bukan maknanya sebenarnya, cuma ibarat, bisa dibilang ibarat seperti itu. And then the third is social meaning. Social meaning is menangkap makna dari lingkungan. In this article, I using Black Country Living Museum, a large open air seat to deliver jab is said to be a game changer for the local community. Makna sosial diambil dari lingkungan, dalam hal ini suasana atau lingkungannya begitu serius dan formal. Jadi makna game changer itu membawa perubahan dengan apa yang terjadi di Black Museum. And then number 4 is affective meaning atau makna berasal dari perasaan. I choose the sentence is it will make people safe from this deadly virus more quickly. Tahu kata safer maka efektif adalah dan selamat, sehingga kata tersebut memiliki maksud dari bicara yang meyakinkan bahwa orang akan merasa aman dan selamat dari virus yang sangat mematikan. And then number 5 is affected meaning, mempunyai makna lebih dari satu. Nah, I using Black Country Living Museum, a large open air seat. And then number 6 collective meaning atau makna dipengaruhi dari kalimat yang mendukung. Nah, I choose people are remind they need an NHS later on invited before turning up. I choose people because people mengarah pada artinya orang dan mengarah pada semua orang, seperti itu. Number 7 is thematic meaning atau makna yang diambil dari dan dipengaruhi dari nada atau intonasi pembicara. The Dudley attraction, which is close to tourists during lockdown, is expected to help administer thousands of injections a week. Is a thematic meaning due to the emphasis on the first clause with mean not pressing. This part is said to contain a thematic element. Due to emphasis, the statement made by author excludes deadly attraction is excluded. Based on the meaning, the article tells about another who convinced the news that the lockdown must stop all effect. Context number one is contextual context. Situational context describes the reason why something is occurring and the appropriate behavior and actions associated with the situation. It is one of the types of context that influence communication. Reference and irreference. About reference is in a social interaction, speakers often use linguistic form to refer to something. This action is done to allow a speech partner or reader to recognize something. This is called of reference. Nicholas Barlow and Sally Roberts. And then irreference because the reference is not specific and it could be assumes more than to action. People mengarah pada orang dan tidak secara spesifik. The next article is how American can inspire to work again. Choose one of these below article. Analyze in terms of deixis, entailment, presumption, coherence, and questions. And then deixis person. Deixis person is I was thinking back to August 2018, and it brought to Kiev thousands of Eastern Ukrainians, mostly coal miners, in the hope that they would clash with protesters. It didn't work. And then number 3 is I fell in love with American that so different. And then number 4 is then we come to New Hampshire. Then number 5, American was bidding this final. Number 5 is American was bidding its final farewell to St. John MC political leaders, Republicans. They come together as to send a message of unity around Capitol Rotunda. And then now about special deixis. There is 2, and number 1 is I'm sure American will survive the hate that affects some Americans, but like many people around the world, I'm hurting around the world. Then we come to New Hampshire, and it was more like being inside a Mark Twain novel, where I meet the warmest, nice, funniest, most compassionate people I had ever seen. And then about temporal deixis. There is 2 points. I was thinking back to August 2018, and then even after dozens were brutally killed in the 3rd month, the revolution did turn into a Vigev move. And then about discourse deixis. For starters, Ukraine's Orange Revolution of 2004 was 100% peaceful. Back then, Ukraine's government did everything to prove violence. And then number 2 is then we come to New Hampshire, and it was more like being inside a Mark Twain novel, where I meet the warmest, nicest, funniest, most compassionate people I had ever seen. Then about presumption. Number 1 is existential presuppositions. Russia attacks its neighbor and damage the souls of those did their attack. And number 2, factive presupposition. I love it for its decency, for its faith in the wisdom, justice, and goodness of its people. I love because it was not just a place but an idea I was worth fighting. And then number 3, logical presupposition. Back then, Ukraine's government, incited by Russia, did everything to provoke violence. It brought to Kiev thousands of Athens Ukrainians, mostly miners, in the hope that they would clash with protesters. And factive presupposition. Presupposition: I don't have the right to judge, but I have a right to hurt. It pains me to see American like this. Then Gaussians. American is a home for millions, but a shining city on a hill for billions, for people like me who aren't American but believe in freedom. There's respect, so please don't take this instruction. If many people around the world take this turmoil to the hearts of his feet. Oke. Conceptual meaning adalah percakapan yang menyambung. Jadi di sini saya mengambil percakapan antara Minato dan Orochimaru. Saat Minato berbicara, "No way, you find a way to cancel the jutsu. How do you do it?" Kemudian Orochimaru pun menjawab pertanyaan Minato. "You understand me, Minato? This is the original sailing stance of the Uzumaki clan. I've been looking for the ruins of scattered documents from the clan that become extinct since I lost my style." Jadi itu ketika Minato bertanya pada Orochimaru kaget kenapa Orochimaru bisa membatalkan jutsunya, padahal jutsu itu sangat rumit dan hanya dikuasai oleh hanya beberapa orang, tapi Orochimaru berhasil. Nah, kemudian Orochimaru menjelaskan bagaimana caranya bisa membatalkan jutsu yang rumit itu. Dan yang kedua yaitu violence maxim, atau percakapan yang tidak nyambung. Jadi di sini saya mengambil percakapan antara Orochimaru dan Hokage kedua, yaitu "This is not difficult move." Ketika Orochimaru berbicara, "This is not a difficult move, but you should never have created it." Dan Hokage kedua pun menjawab dengan tidak nyambung, Do you plan to attack Konoha again? Nah, di situ ketika Orochimaru memberi penjelasan tentang kebijakan Hokage kedua dulu, tapi Hokage kedua tidak mendengarkan dan dia malah menuduh Orochimaru akan melakukan penyerangan ke Konoha, seperti itu. Dan yang ketiga yaitu implikatur, yaitu penyebutan atau istilah. Di sini saya mengambil cuplikan dari Suigetsu, yaitu "God of Shinobi is different from what I imagine." Jadi God of Shinobi itu mengarah pada Hashirama yang notabene adalah dewa dari seluruh shinobi yang mempunyai kekuatan, yang hanya Hashirama yang bisa mengendalikan semua biju dan tidak ada shinobi lain. Tapi di sini Suigetsu kaget, ternyata Hashirama adalah orang yang berbeda dari apa yang dia imajinasikan, apa yang dia bayangkan, seperti itu. So, speech is divided into 3 parts. Number 1 is illusionary art atau ucapan. Number 2 is illusionary cut atau apa yang diucapkan. Number 3 is perlocution art atau tindakan. Well, we analyze the speech as of the debate in the part of the one topic in the debate, that is fighting COVID-19. I chose the topic to analyze because right now is happening. A. So here that first about lectionary art. What did they say about coronavirus? Mr. Biden said Mr. Trump had panic over the coronavirus pandemic, which has killed more than 2,000 American people.
A lot of people died and a lot more are going to do unless he gets a lot smarter, a lot quicker. Mr. Bean said Mr. Trump objected to Mr. Biden using the word smart. And B, second is about illusionary art. The debate was divided into 6 segment topic: fighting COVID-19, American families, race in America, climate change, national security, and leadership. And then C, the third is about perlusionary acts. I take from the last part of the video. At the end of the debate, they said that they are going to choose hope over fear. D, it possible implicature. They both are totally implicates each other because in the end of the debate they have the same truth that they are going to choose hope over fear. That's all my final task, and thank you.